Hey, Chris with Investors Edge Real Estate Group. We're here at another completed flip. We're getting ready to close this thing in about a week and a half. So I wanted to do a walkthrough, show you guys what we did, the kind of upgrades that we did, and let me know what you think about it. So we are at our Cavalier property, 4025 West Cavalier. I bought this in a partnership with a friend of mine. We financed it with a hard money first and a private money second to fund the flip, and I'll go over with everything that we did. So first of all, new door, and we always paint them red. In these neighborhoods, people just love the red front door. I'm not sure what it is about it, but they love it. So here in the front yard, we didn't do anything. It was already grass, so we kept it there. This fence was already here, so we kept the fence. Just painted the shutters, exterior paint of course. So coming in, you can see here's the floors that we do. We do these floors in every project. If it's under $300,000, these floors go in. They're affordable, they're $1.49 a foot, and people love them. They love the wood plank look, and then of course gray is definitely in style. So if you look here, we chose not to replace the windows at this price point, which we ended up selling for $185,000. I just didn't think it was worth putting in windows in the entire house because the whole house needed them. So you can see we went with the big baseboards like usual. We had to replace all the doors, so we went with the 2-panel. I don't like to do 6-panel because everybody does 6-panel. Here's our kitchen. Turned out really nice. So a few things about this kitchen. So the refrigerator used to be situated over here. Obviously it's a brand new kitchen, so we took everything out. We added GFI outlets because that's required, and then since we moved the refrigerator over here, we had to run a dedicated line from there because the refrigerator can't be connected to the GFI, because if the GFI pops, your refrigerator turns off and all your food goes bad, so it needs to have its own dedicated line. Here's where we save money. We could easily have put another cabinet up there, but it doesn't really make that big a difference. It's a cabinet that nobody ever uses, and so we save money, you know, and $130 plus install to do that. So that's where the refrigerator is going to go. It's a gas stove. One thing you'll notice here, we forgot to add an outlet. So we have an option. It's either gas or electric, but we lost our option because we don't have a plug for the gas stove. You need a plug for your igniter, as well as the clock and all that stuff. So that's a bummer, but we could always add it later if they wanted it, but this thing's already sold, so it's too late. You can see we did the backsplash, the subway tile backsplash. This is one of our best bang for the buck items because this tile is super cheap. It's probably like $400 for the labor. Our tile guys come in here after the fact. We went with a cheaper granite, but in these neighborhoods, if you do granite of any type, it's very nice. They're gonna like it. This is our typical gooseneck faucet. We'll do the dishwasher. All the stainless steel items will come in after. We had some break-ins here, so I didn't want to have anything in here just in case. And it didn't hurt the showing. It sold in 2 days, so that wasn't an issue. You can see up here, we like to add can lights. And so let's do a quick tour, see the rest of the house. So typical vanity combo from Home Depot, mirror, the same light. Our showers all pretty much look the same. We do the same thing over and over and over again, guys. Success is boring. So there's that. Typical bedrooms. We just throw that light. We don't do fans for the most part. This fan was already here, so we kept it. You can see we did not change out the windows, and we didn't have to. So here's the master. Again, the same light, fan, mirror, toilet, everything's the same. And here's our beauty. So you can see here, we weren't able, the shower extends past this area, so we wouldn't be able to put a regular sliding door. I spent a little more on this one, but I think it came out really nice with this just one single piece of glass. I think it looks beautiful. So that's it, guys. We don't need to see the backyard. We didn't do anything. We put up a wood fence here, actually. Here, look at that. So we put up the wood fence to save money. We didn't do any landscaping. We just, there was a shed back there, we knocked it down. So we just cleaned it up, make it look good. We bought it for $105, put about $30,000 into it, and we are under contract for $185. So as long as the appraisal comes in okay, knock on wood, we will be looking at a pretty nice profit. So Cash Flow Kris, this is a flip that we have. We can help you learn how to be an investor or a rental owner. So if you want to learn more, hit us up on Facebook, Investors at JC.